After a very long journey to New Zealand from the UK, we were glad to hear the captain announce that we were on final approach to Christchurch Airport. Christchurch is the largest city in the South Island of New Zealand, and you could almost hear the haka bringing us in. We picked up our hire car at Christchurch Airport and headed south, skirting along the edge of Lake Ellesmere. We had only a brief stop there before turning east towards Barry's Bay, and finally south again to Akaroa, the first main stop on our tour of the South Island.